I see him. Who do you want to get a good hit? Oh, we got a hit. He got a hit. Good job, Freddie. And hey, Dan Ugla scored. Dan Ugla scored the run, okay? So good job, Dan. Oh, they're doing the chop. Huh?
What makes this noise?
Oh. All right, now let's see who's sitting now.
Chipper!
No, it's not Chipper time yet. Do you want Chipper to get out in the field and get about? That was Freddie. They're showing Freddie again. And you want the Blue Jays to win?
No, so I want Freddie Freeman and Chipper to win.
Okay, that's what I want too.
Go! Chipper and Freddie Freeman!
And what about Dan Ugla? And what number does Chipper wear?
10!
And what number does Freddie Freeman wear?